Hey, how's it going, everyone? I'm back with another one of my videos. Today I'll be reviewing a product I got from Ultimate 9 USA. It is my EVC throttle controller for my 2021 Jeep Gladiator. So let's go ahead and go into the install first, and then I'll go over the review. Alright, so first thing you're going to see inside the box is your throttle controller. It's no bigger than 1 inch wide, about 1.5 inches to 2 inches long. And you can see it has the white faceplate. I went ahead and got the blue cover plate for it as well, just to match my outside color on the Jeep. And for the Jeep Gladiator, this is the part number I got. Alright, so fresh out of the box, what we have here is our Ultimate 9 throttle controller switch. And then we have what connects to the throttle itself, the electronic throttle. You see the plug-in, and then the conversion module. It comes with our nice decal, some surface wipes, 2 zip ties, and then my separate order blue faceplate with installation instructions, how to use the interface, the transmission setup, and the operation. Alright, so on mine, I ended up taking this off and this off. Just a bunch of pop clips, nothing that a regular interior tool couldn't take off. I just pulled with my hand and it popped off. You see the clips right there. What I'm going to do, the reason why I did that, I'm going to mount this right there and then run this wire under there, out through here, and then up to the throttle. Alright, so everything's back on. I already mounted it. You can see it's not going nowhere. I ended up running the hole right through there. You can see I kind of divoted a little hole in there. I used this little Dremel tip to clean that up a bit. And you can't even tell that I did anything with it. The wire is so nice and smooth. And the only reason I did that is because it wasn't flush and it was leaving too big of a gap right here. So that's all I did. I just put that Dremel in it, cleaned it up, ran the wire all the way through. This is going to be tucked in all the way up to here. You're not even going to see it when I'm done. Alright, now that you've gone ahead and located your module, you're going to want to connect your throttle, I guess your new sensor harness that comes in the kit. And that's all it looks like, along with the connector that actually goes into the module itself. So this little red piece is going to connect into your pedal, and this will connect into the old sensor that's on the pedal already. So let me go ahead and show you what you're looking at. All right, as you can see, that's the gas pedal right there, and this is what I was talking about. That's going to come off and go in. All right, to take it off, all you got to do is just pull this little red piece back, and this whole thing will just slide up. Don't try messing with this gray piece, and don't try just yanking it up. You got to pull this piece back, or else you're going to break something. And then next, when you look at this piece that's going to go in, you're going to see one flat line and one rounded line. You can't mess up the install. It's going to be the exact same on the other way, identical to this. See how there's a flat piece and a rounded piece? There's only one way you can go in, so you can't mess it up. All right, as you can see, I'm fully mounted. I got the new switch mounted, the throttle, the pedal, your module hooking up to the OEM signal right here. Now I'm going to zip tie that up somewhere up here, and then I ran my wire over this metal assembly. Going down my other wire, I'll connect it. I'll zip tie that bundle up to be hidden too, and it will be good to go. Let me show you when it's done. All right, so I went ahead and zip tied the new module to the old original OEM harness. And then again up here, so see it's plenty out of the way from the pedal. You can't see it at all dangling. And then the wire that I ran all the way up here, I hid behind this carpet. This right here pops out, so you can pull this whole carpet back, tuck all your wire in behind. You won't see any of it. Of course, this might change if you decide to mount your module somewhere else. I personally couldn't find a better spot to mount it than right there. I think it looks cool right to the shifter too. This, of course, is just your choice and your preference on where you want to mount it. You can mount it anywhere you want. I went for what I personally thought was the easiest and most hidden way I could finally put it. You'll have your own personal preference. If you find a better spot, go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know what you think is better. Or if you have any questions, let me know. But yeah, let's go out and drive this and see what I think about it. All right, so starting out, Jeep turned on, we have power. So you see the 2 dots, that's your factory setting. Go to your next mode, that's E9. That's an eco mode, and you can go through all 9. 0 being the lowest setting, 9 being the most extreme. You have your ultimate mode. This is gonna be really sensitive pedal. So again, you can go all the way up to 9, being your most extreme sensitivity. And then you have AC, that's gonna be it getting used to the way you drive and setting its responsiveness according to the way it feels you driving. All right, so I just got back from my test ride, and that was a pretty big difference. I started out on E9, which is your more conservative, slower settings, more gas efficient. And that was a pretty big difference right there, because these Jeeps, I know the 2020 and up models, they're pretty touchy from the factory from what I've noticed. And this really helped ease that and help control it better. And then immediately I tried out U9, which is the ultimate, the super sensitive. And I probably did 10% throttle press, and I did a burnout right at the light, not intentionally, but that's how sensitive and how much power it adds to the pedal. So you decide if this is for you, but I personally love it. It's gonna do really good whenever I take it off road, especially in the snow. It does snow where I'm at. So putting it at E9, really controlling that pedal, not spinning out in the snow and ice is gonna help out a lot. Just more controlling the pedal, and then when I want, I can put it at U9 and just hit the pedal and go. So it's really cool. I wish I could have videotaped me driving it. I am the only one in the Jeep right now, and I didn't want to risk a wreck, so I was not videotaping while driving, but just take my word for it. It was a really big difference, and I'm gonna really enjoy this. If I can get another driver with me, I'll post another video for y'all. Thank y'all.